guys sending someone out?
No, no. Try to get somebody.
Thank you.
They're still probably at home.
Oh, they are?
Yeah.
Super early.
I would wait on your car.
Okay.
I gotta go all the way down and come back. And
Okay.
I'll let you know what they say.
Okay. And if you see a little parrot on the side, well, red head, it's mine. Green and red head.
Okay.
Thank you. Today's not a good day. Today's not a good day. I just lost hope. So, good morning. It's early in the morning, like 7 a.m. We just we just left the hotel, and Destiny is very talkative right here. And we're heading now for the first time to White Sands to fly them. We want to see their sunrise at the White Sand National Park, and we're heading now over. It's just 10 miles away. And here's Destiny. He's talking. He's saying he's hungry, and I just fed him. Are you still hungry? Are you still hungry? You have food in your cage. You know that? Yeah. You have food in your cage. You want to go eat in your cage? No, you want to hang out with me? Okay. Kiss you. Oh, you're welcome. Kiss. Oh, kiss. Thank you. You're welcome, baby. Hello. Hello. Say, can you say good morning? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hello. Hello. Good morning. Destiny smells so good. Yeah, you're a yummy bird. Ow! That's what I get from sniffing him. Good boy. Yeah, you're such a good boy. White Sand National Park, and it's gorgeous. It's just right after sunrise, so the sun is behind me. I got some nice aerial stuff on my drone and some time-lapse stuff. It's just freezing. It's like 23 Celsius. No, sorry, 23 Fahrenheit right now, which is like icy cold. My birds are in the car right there, and I didn't fly them yet. It's just really icy cold, and they have never flown that cold before, but I'm gonna fly them right now and just get them out of the car. Hi guys. Oh, Destiny is here. Hi Destiny. Oh, he's already freezing. Do you want to go fly? Oh, Destiny is so cold. Oh, is it cold? Oh. Come on, Destiny. Hi, Angel. Do you want to come out and fly? Angel's out. There's Destiny there. Oh, Angel's flying. Ah, fly, Angel. First time Angel is flying in the wind. Come, 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 come. Come, Angel. Oh, good boy. Oh, hi, Destiny. Go, Bertie, Bertie. Whoa. Oh, Destiny. Oh, Destiny, you still go. Oh, good boy, Destiny. Come, 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 Destiny, Destiny. Hi. Where's Angel? Oh, he's in the car. He's in the car. Hoppy, come. Hoppy. Hoppy, come. Oh, this is icy cold. It's like 23. Look! Winter Wonderland, Hoppy. Do you want to go fly? Do you want to go fly? Oh, Destiny goes there. You don't want to go back in the car. Oh, and oh, Hoppy! Oh, he's having fun. Good boy, Hoppy. Good boy. Oh. Come, 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 come. Boy, go Birch. Go Birchie, Birch. Oh. Hello. Okay, I think Angel is done. He's like sitting. Oh, Destiny. All my three boys are like freezing. It is icy cold. But all three boys did fly today here at the White Sand National Park, which is gorgeous. It's just so cold. You want to fly again? No, he's like sitting and he's like shivering. Yeah! Yeah! You're the only one who likes it, huh? He's the best one trained because I fly him the most often one. Oh, oh, good boy. And Destiny's sitting in the car. You want to try flying again with Hope? Oh. Oh. Bobby, come on, let's go. I'm gonna stop recording just because I can't even move my fingers. They are so cold right now. Jesus. Fifi! Fifi! Maybe we just take off. Fifi! Shit. I just lost Faith. Oh my gosh, I just lost her. She just took off. I thought she's gonna come back, but no, she was afraid and she just took off. And now I'm searching for her. And it's so cold, she's never been in such a cold weather before. And she could be anywhere. Anywhere. Searching for Faith since she flew away. It's icy cold, like really freezing cold. It's not fun to be here out by myself looking for my bird. And I have my whistle, so I was like whistling and calling. And so far, here's a lot of wind, so I don't know if she would like change her direction of flight. Because last time I saw her, she was just flying right straight path. So I hope she did continue with her straight path, because I'm doing now the straight path so I can find her. But she's also not responsive. I'm calling, whistling, and she's not calling back. Oh, my face, I can't even talk. Everything is like really frozen. I'm searching in this 23-degree Fahrenheit weather for my bird. I shouldn't have brought her out. Shit, I shouldn't have brought her out. Now she's gone. Oh, I'm gonna find her. I need to find her. And look at those dunes. Those dunes are just amazing. Look at those dunes. They're so beautiful. So beautiful. I'm gonna go up here and then continue my straight path, because last time I saw her, she was flying in the directions of the mountains. So that's what the video footage says. Oh my gosh, I wish I'd find her. Her. If I won't find her, she's gonna freeze to death, because there's nothing out here. She's somewhere right now on the ground, on the sand, waiting for me to find her, waiting for me to pick her up. The only question is where. It's like searching a needle in a haystack, and I don't know where. Shit, I shouldn't have brought her out. I shouldn't have taken her out of the car. I know she's not free flight trained, and I wanted to put her in the harness. And then my hands was just so frozen that Destiny just flew, and then she flew, and then I thought she's gonna come back. But yeah, sometimes we call indoor training, she's making a loop, but she just went straight, like straight. I think she might have flown for 2 miles straight down until she can't fly anymore, and she would have just dropped on the floor right now. My hands are freezing. I can't film it anymore. I'm gonna stop now. Okay, quick update. It's been now 3 hours since she's gone. I'm still out here by myself looking for her. I have a compass and I'm marking now the situation with dropping pins, so I know where I search for her already, so I don't need to go there doubled on my map. 3 hours already and I don't see her. I've went in all the way straight 4 miles down, and now I'm gonna go straight north back to the car and see if she's here somewhere. Oh shit. Oh fuck, I shouldn't have let her out. I shouldn't have let her out. No, why did I let her out? Okay, I need to find her. I'm gonna find her. Shit. It's now 12 p.m. She has been already since 4 hours lost. I walk already and hike, I think over 8-10 miles. My knees are hurting, my foot is hurting, icy cold. It's 12 p.m. right now, and the park rangers were looking for me, so they just found me and told me I shouldn't be going out without calling them and notifying them. So I drew a straight line and went in 4 miles and I couldn't find her. So I guess she looped around and flew with the wind. So I'm gonna still continue looking for her in the direction of the wind. And let's see where she is. I need to find her. I can't leave this place without her. I'm so upset right now. I need to find my Faith. I can't leave this place without Faith. Shit. Good boy. Yeah. So we're in the Hawaii Sand National Park. You wanna go fly? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, nice, LP. Oh, it's so cold. Baby, I'm gonna put you back in the car. I'm gonna put you back in the car. It's 2 p.m. right now, and Faith has been gone for 6 hours. I brought Destiny out to help me search for her. I thought he's calling her, but no, he's just comfy sitting here. But anyway, everything hurts, not just my heart, but also my legs, my knees. And I'm eating an apple because I'm just so dehydrated. So please send out prayers. I need this bird. I don't want to leave here without my bird. It's 2:30 right now, and we still didn't find Faith. And he's not really helping. He doesn't want to call her. I'm calling her, and I'm calling trucks like here. Hi there, I lost a bird like him.
Oh.
This morning at 8 a.m. and I'm still looking for her.
Oh.
So if you find her, can you call the ranger?
Sure will.
Thank you, thank you. So I'm just trying to notify as much people as possible so that they know about this mishap. There's another car coming. Let's stop him. Okay. Hi there, I lost a bird this morning at 8 a.m. The same kind, just with a red hat. If you see it, can you call the ranger? Thank you. Oh my gosh, I'm just so exhausted right now. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Fifi! There's another car coming. Let's stop them and ask them for help too. It's better to ask the cars that's coming in than going out. And I'm gonna swap Destiny with Hope, because Hope screams and Destiny's not saying a beep. So hope that we find her. We have 3 more hours before the sun sets. Okay, there's a couple cars coming, so I'm gonna stop them and ask them for help. Hi there, I lost a bird this morning.
Okay.
Same kind. If you see it, can you call the ranger? Thank you. Hi there, I lost a bird this morning at 8 a.m. and I'm searching ever since.
I'll keep an eye on it.
Right, can you call the ranger if you found her? She's very friendly.
Yeah.
Thank you. This is wave and this is stop. Hi there, I lost a bird.
I'm sorry, you shouldn't have them outside.
Well, he's on the leash, but he got away. If you see one, can you call the ranger?
Yes, I will.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you. Oh, they weren't really friendly. Today's not a good day. Today's not a good day. I just lost hope.